Hi, I'm Matthew. Today's lesson is about using adjectives. Adjectives can help you communicate clearly in English. So let's find out more. Look at me. I'm a tall person. Now look at the picture. This is my sister, Elaine. Elaine has a happy face. Look at the sentences and focus on the underlined words. Can you find the adjectives? That's right. Tall and happy are the adjectives. What does the word tall tell us about me? What does the word happy tell us about the face? Let's look carefully at the sentences. Tall is a word that gives more information about me. Tall is a description of the height of someone or something. We can also say a tall building. And what about happy? Happy is a word that gives more information about the face. Happy is a description of feeling pleasure. We can also say a happy baby. So, what is an adjective and when do we use them? An adjective is a word that describes a noun. We use adjectives to describe people, places, objects, and opinions. They give more detail and information. So, let's look at an example. Here's another picture. Do you know this famous place? That's right, it's London. I was born there. London is an old city. Can you spot the adjective? That's correct. Old is the adjective. What does it describe? It describes the city and how old it is. So, where do adjectives go in a sentence? Let's find out. Let me be cheeky. I am a handsome person. Handsome is the adjective and it comes before the noun person. Handsome gives more information about the person. Handsome describes the looks of the person. In English, the adjective comes before the noun. Let's look at some examples. A tasty pizza, an amazing holiday. How can we use adjectives in sentences? Let's find out. I like to travel. One of my favorite cities is Rome. Rome is a beautiful city. Now let's analyze the sentence. Firstly, we have the subject Rome. Then it's is, which is the verb to be. We have the article a, then the adjective beautiful, and the noun city. So in a sentence we have subject, verb, article, adjective, noun. Let's come back to Rome. In Rome, I eat a lot of food. Do you know why? Because the food is delicious. Let's look at the sentence carefully though. We have the subject, food, with the article, the, followed by the verb, to be, and the adjective, delicious. In this sentence, we have a subject, verb, adjective. Now can you describe the lesson? For example, I could say, this lesson is fantastic. Matthew is a great presenter. As you can see, fantastic and great give more information about this lesson. Now you can use adjectives in English. Today, we learnt what is an adjective, when you can use an adjective, and how to use an adjective in a sentence. Thanks for watching and see you later.